So we're getting a little bit of work done to this car. They're playing a lot of music over there, so I don't really want to be filming. We've been working on the electrical. I'm getting a whole bunch of stuff done here, but not a whole lot. We've been trying to get the back end all tightened back in. It's looking good. We pulled out about 7 feet of wiring. I figured out the wiring problem. It had the toggle switch up here, and then when the toggle switch messed up, I just kind of magoovered all the wire together. So we kind of got everything kind of cleaned up in here now. We're going to be putting a good battery in here in a bit and then trying to refire it. We're cleaning out some of the stuff. Right now we're just putting an upper motor mount back on this, but I got to stop now because the music just started again. So I just turned off the music. We've been working away on this all morning. We got the top motor mount on. I was going to put repair plates, but then after looking at it, I already have my repair plates on the frame, so can't put any more repair plates. Just going to bleed the brakes. I bought some new brake fluid and power steering fluid for it. We got all the wiring cleaned up. I'm going to probably put a better battery into it. We got a lot of the garbage picked out of it. I think this thing's coming along good. The next big thing is mostly just getting brakes back on this. And then this is going to go into storage, so let's try to get some brakes onto it. I've been kind of lazy today. I've been mostly stuck just playing on TikTok, to be honest. I think that wheel bearing is just about done anyway. And then what else can we do to this thing? I think that's just about it. I was going to move the gas tank, but after looking at it, I think it's okay. Worst comes to worst, I'll move it at the Derby and after the heat if I make feature. We'll have to see. But let's get these brakes off and work on these brakes. We just got the brake split on this. There was quite a bit of air in there. But that's okay, we got it all out. We still haven't changed the battery. I'm going to wait to do that to make sure I put a good battery in before the Derby. This show here, I believe they're putting stock Mini at $6,000 or $5,000 this year. I would like to take a better car, but honestly, I don't have time to be building another car. I have, this one is for Schaumburg, that one's for Meltdown, and then I got the other project I've been working on all winter. So there's still quite a bit of things I have to do. That one has to be ready in 40 days, this one has to be ready in 40 days, this one in 17 days. So there's a lot going on, but I'm gonna try to start her up and see if we can get her backed into place. So let's see what we can do. You got a wide lens camera, you can't get all this in, I don't think, can you? It's okay, it's fine. So we're gonna start this thing up. Touch this one and she should start right up. Should start right up. It's almost 9 o'clock at night and they finally finished playing the music over there. But we have this little beauty just tucked away in here now. So as far as I'm concerned, the only thing this thing needs is a fresh tank of gas and maybe a newer battery. And the radiator loop kit hooked back up. But I'm maxed out on my repair plates. The struts are a little bent. It didn't really back up very nice, but it did back up. And yeah, it's about as good as it's going to get. It's not going to get much better than this, unfortunately. But she's here, she's sitting pretty, and she's ready for the Derby. Quick repairs that we did to it. Could we have done more? Yeah. Is it really worth it? There's not a whole lot of life left in this car. Unfortunately, this car is going to a show that has pretty big money to win. So I might be driving a little bit softer than I normally drive. But we'll have to see. You know, one bad mistake, you can take a soft drive into a hard drive. You can plan it as soft as you want, but sometimes it's just going to go harder than you think it's going to go. But it's here ready for the next demolition derby. So thanks for watching, everybody. This Camry here is all set up for the demolition derby coming up in Schaumburg. So take care, everybody. See you back here later on Zach's Workshop.